Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Right now we're gonna go to Walmart to get some stuff for this weekend. It is my dad's birthday today. Say it to the vlog.
Hi, y'all.
And then yeah, we're just gonna get a couple stuff that we need
For your dad.
for the weekend, huh?
When did I ever hear this song?
So yeah, we're just gonna get a couple stuff that we need, and then we're gonna head back to the house. So we just made it to Walmart, and yeah. So we just got out of Walmart. We got what we needed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna head to Target to pick some chairs up for tomorrow, and then after that we're gonna go buy lottery tickets, and then we should head home. You tired? Me
It's
too.
only 10:53 a.m.
So we just got back from Walmart, and the reason why we needed lottery tickets was because my dad wanted to do something special for his dad since his birthday was yesterday. So he assembled this like beer cake for him since he's like obsessed with Bud Light. And then I did like all the ribbon, and then I did like all this on the top of the lottery tickets. So yeah, later we're gonna see him.
My ass.
It is hot as a witch's coochie out.
So hot.
I know. So Josie has a surprise for my dad for when he comes home, since today's his birthday, like the fifth time I say it in this vlog. But yeah, he's 30 minutes away and we still have to go to La Haciendita. So that's gonna take a little bit. So hopefully we get home before he does. And yeah, we're gonna catch his reaction in the vlog without like making it obvious. So we just got to La Haciendita, and then oh shit, I thought
You are dumb, unattractive, overweight,
I almost fell. We got to La Hacienda, and we're just here to buy shrimp. And then, yeah, that's all really, bro, everybody's in their cars and they're just staring. We just got out from La Hacienda. Did you even get the shrimp?
Is that not what we have in the bag?
I still need to get in the shower. We all have to get ready, and then by then we should all head out. So we're gonna make another stop. I'm gonna get off at Aldi to buy my dad a chocolate cake. He's gonna be seeing this video. He's gonna be like, damn, you know?
They did all this, right?
For real. So Dad, if you're watching this, si te queremos. But yeah, I'm about to get off at Aldi, and then after this, we are for sure heading home. So we are making another stop, and I'm gonna get my dad some candles. I already got the cake. and then, yeah, we're gonna head home for sure. So I stopped by for some candles. I think I'm gonna get them the 3 and the 7. This one right here, the 3. Oh, it's the last 7 too. And then these are like silver. I don't know if I want to do those. Oh wait, sparkling candles. Yeah, we can get some of these.
You suck.
You shut up. That's why your shoes raggedy.
Look who the birthday boy's home. How old are you turning, babe?
37.
Wow, that's old. Where are we going?
We are going to my parents. They're inviting us out to eat.
Nice.
Yeah.
All
Some
right.
Mariscos.
I'm passing the phone to somebody who always complains when we're going out.
Well, you pass the phone to me.
Okay guys, so we are a couple minutes away from the restaurant. Is everybody hungry?
Me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat shrimp.
You're gonna eat shrimp? Yeah?
Yeah, okay.
What are you gonna eat?
I'm undecided.
Undecided?
It's a big menu.
Oh, what are you
But
gonna eat,
you know
Josie?
what I am gonna have?
What?
Michelada.
Ay. What are you gonna eat, Josie?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe langostinos.
You know what's good?
Or-
What I had last time? Paella.
Oh, really?
It's delicious.
Or piña rellena.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Not quite sure yet.
So we're gonna meet up with the other fam,
The other party.
with our other party, and yeah. So I just finished eating.
I'm scraping away my pineapple.
We just got done eating. We're gonna head to their house now. We're gonna eat some cake. And hola, dile hola a vlog.
Te lo juro.
¿Lo juras?
A ver, apa.
Mijo, lo juro.
Scratch for me now.
Te lo juro por Dios. So we're back home,
We're back.
and Cuco has it really aesthetic in here.
Oh yeah. Turn off the light.
Extremely.
With the lights off.
You think you're gonna win?
I think so.
Yeah.
I got good feeling.
Yeah, you got a good
Si
feeling.
no le da uno, le va a dar el otro. Pero le tiene que dar, le tiene que dar.
Come on.
¿Verdad, Efraín? Te tiene que dar.
Sí.
Y a la siguiente te tiene que dar.
Ok, estos son los números. Hay que buscar el 26.
There's no
¿No 26? Ok.
Whenever you see 25 or 27, then it's done.
13.
That's how it works.
No me dejas ver.
No, there's already a 14.
72.
No.
No 2.
Ay, que la
It's a 3.
33.
No.
No, pues there's a two.
El siguiente, el siguiente.
Esa va a dar. Esa va a dar.
No, it's 37.
Yo la voy a
Wait.
No, Dios, pero a la siguiente, a la siguiente.
Ok, eso
Tampoco.
no. Ah, Dora, I love it.
¿Qué?
¿Una qué más?
Una bolsita, una carterita así chiquita.
Coach?
Yeah.
Would you give her a
So we just got out of my grandparents' house, and now we're gonna head home. So tomorrow, we don't know what we're gonna do yet. So, and see where we end up at. So yeah.